Now, what you do is 2u equal 7u minus 20, right? You can decide whether you bring this 7u this side or you can bring this 2u this side. But easiest way is bring this 7u this side because there's no number here.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if 7u is larger. What you do is this 7u, you have to take it out. That means you have to put minus 7u, right? Minus. And this side also minus 7u. The 2u minus 7u, what is the value? 2u minus 7u. If you don't know how to find out, you first do the 2u plus 7u. 2u plus 7u is, what is the value?
9.
9u. Then it can't be then 9u, right? For this one. Then it should be different number. Then what do you do? This is 2 plus 7. Here 2 minus 7. Then it should be minus difference, minus 5u. Say you have to pay $7 to someone. You have only $2. Then you pay that $2 plus, but still you have to pay another 5. That is still debt. You have debt, right? That's what always I play with like that. I have money. You have to pay money. Then minus 5u equal minus 20, or there's a remaining value. Now minus 5. We have done that. You want to find the u value. You divide by minus 5, right? Division. This side also you do the division minus 5. Minus 5. You write the steps. Minus 5u divided by minus 5 equal minus 20 divided by minus 5. Right? Then this minus 5 to this minus 5 cancel. U left. That's what we want. Don't think about minus mark. Just do the 20 divided by 5. 4. But the thing is, previously we learned minus divided by minus equal plus. Plus divided by plus equal plus. Same value, divide or multiple, it's going to be plus. If it is opposite symbol, minus divided by plus, or plus divided by minus equal minus mark. Right, that's a rule you have to remember. It will be applied here. Here, minus divided by minus. What is the value then? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. Good job. U equal plus 4. Here a little bit different. This was actually a little bit harder, more steps, because it play with the minus mark. Okay. Let me know when you're finished writing.
Finished.
That's good. You're fast. I clean this all. Okay, now exercise 2D, homework. We say x equal 3, then following equation true or false. The first one, yeah, we are going to do the first one. They have already given the value. You don't need to find the answer. That means you are going to substitute both sides and see whether it's correct. 5 plus 2x, 4x minus 1. What you're going to do is x equal 3, right? You go and put that value. 5 plus 2 times x value is 3. 4 times x equal 3 minus 1. Then 5. 2 times 3 is first. We do that one because BODMAS. Have you heard about BODMAS? That is bracket, order, division, multiple, addition, subtraction. Then multiple is first, addition later. Then this 2 is multiple, you have to do the multiple first. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5, 11. I found the left side. Right hand side, 4 times 3, 12, minus 1, 11. Left hand side equal right hand side. That means this equation is correct. X value is 3 is correct. Right? You are going to prove whether x equal 3, this is equation is correct. Can you try B now?